situation we are all in. Many people are concerned about to stay healthy and attaining a healthy immune system. A recent study shows regular practice of yoga stimulates the parasympathetic system that helps in lower the stress hormones. So, I am going to teach you today 6 easy yoga poses which you all can do at home to strengthen your immune system. So let's start.
So let's start our first asana, which is eagle pose. Slightly bend your knees, lift your right leg, balancing the body on the left leg. Place the right thigh over the left thigh. Cross your arms, placing the left arm above the right arm. Focus your gaze at a fixed point. Hold the pose for 10 to 15 seconds, taking deep breaths. To return gently, release the arms first and then the legs to come back in starting position. The next asana is downward facing dog. Come onto your fours, form a table such that your back forms the tabletop and your hands and feet forms the leg. As you breathe out, lift the hips up, straightening the knees and elbows, form an inverted V shape with the body. Press your hands into the ground. Keep the neck lengthened by touching the ears to the inner arms. Hold the downward dog pose. Take long deep breaths. Look towards the navel. Exhale slowly. Bend the knees and return to the table pose. Relax. To start the next pose, lie on your stomach and place your forehead on the floor. Keep both the hands beside your chest. With the next inhale, start lifting your head and chest off the floor. Keep the elbows slightly bent and keep the back muscles working. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Take 2-3 rounds of inhaling yourself up into cobra and exhaling down to the floor. Then hold for 2-3 full breaths and come back down. Rest on the floor for a few breaths and relax. To begin up with our next asana, sit up with the legs stretched out straight in front of you. Bend the right leg and place the heel of the right foot beside the left hip. You can keep your left leg straight. Take the right leg over the left knee. Keep the spine straight. Hold and continue with gentle long breaths in and out. Breathing out, release the right hand first. Release the waist, then chest, lastly the neck, and sit up relaxed yet straight. Repeat to the other side. Breathing out, come back to the front and relax. Begin up with our next asana. Lie flat on the ground and keep your arms at your sides. Now lift up your hips upwards as much as you can with the help of pressing your palms. Look up and slightly keep your chin up. Keep breathing deeply in this position for some time for 20 to 30 seconds. Now relax by touching your hips to the ground, that is your starting position. To begin with our next asana, lie down in the supine position. Raise your legs slowly upwards and bring it to the 90-degree angle. Bring the legs towards head by raising the buttocks up. Raise the legs, abdomen and chest. Try to form a straight line. Place the palms on your back for support. Balance this posture at least for 1 minute. To release, exhale slowly and bring your legs down.